Relax. Welcome to this deep relaxation meditation. Close your eyes gently. And take a moment to settle into this sacred space. This is your time to release, to rest. And to reconnect with the infinite calm within you. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in. Feeling your abdomen, chest, and the shoulders expand with a gentle ease. And exhale slowly, letting go of any tension in your body. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into stillness. As if you are resting on a soft cloud of peace. I am here, fully present, in this moment of calm. With every inhale, I draw in serenity, filling my entire being with light and tranquility. With every exhale, I release all stress, worry, and heaviness. Letting them dissolve into the air around me. Picture yourself in a quiet, sacred place. A lush meadow, a tranquil shore, or a serene forest. where the earth cradles you in its loving embrace. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and warm. Supporting every part of your body. I am held by the earth, safe and grounded. Visualize roots extending from your body, gently reaching deep into the earth's core. Anchoring you in strength and stability. With each breath, the earth's nurturing energy flows up through these roots, filling you with warmth, peace, and unshakable calm. I release all tension from my body. Starting at the crown of your head, feel a wave of relaxation wash over you. Let your forehead soften, your eyes rest, and your jaw release. Allow this soothing wave to flow down your neck, shoulders, and arms, melting away any tightness. Feel it cascade through your chest, softening your heart, and into your belly, where all worries dissolve. Let this calm spread through your hips, legs, and feet until every part of you feels light, at ease, and deeply relaxed. I am at peace within my mind. As thoughts arise, see them as passing clouds in a vast, clear sky. You don't need to hold onto them. Let them drift away, leaving your mind open, spacious, is a calm lake, reflecting the beauty of this moment. I connect with the divine light within me. Imagine a soft, radiant glow at the center of your heart. A spark of pure divine energy. With each breath, this light grows, spreading warmth and love through your entire being. It fills you with a sense of wholeness. Reminding you that you are connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe. I am light. I am peace. I am whole. Now rest in this stillness. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do. Simply be. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Gentle and steady, like the ebb and flow of a quiet tide. With every breath, I am renewed. With every moment, I am at peace. Let this calm anchor you, knowing you can return to this sacred space whenever you need. Stay here as long as feels right. Resting in the embrace of the earth. The light of your heart and the stillness of your beautiful soul. Even once after this beautiful meditation finished, you are going to carry this sense of peace with you as you move forward. relax, relax.